नमस्कार, पळया सिटीग्राम खबरो। फोमेंतो हॉटेल्साची व्यवस्थापकी संचालक अंजू तिमलोक आउटस्टँडिंग वुमन अचीवर इन हॉस्पिटॅलिटीक अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळा। चौथो आंतरराष्ट्रीय हॉस्पिटॅलिटी दीस पणजे मनयलो।
We have an outstanding woman achiever in hospitality. This award goes to Ms. Anju Timlok, MD of Fomentos Hotel Private Limited.
She is registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and is currently associated with 2 companies.
International Hospitality Day was coined and started in the year 2016 by International Hospitality Council, and our chairman, chief mentor is a part of the International Hospitality Council, and that is how we started with this celebration of International Hospitality Day in the hotels, and the plan was to felicitate all the hoteliers who have been performing outstandingly in their own organization. With this Hospitality Day, it is being celebrated all over India and 2 more countries abroad. In India, in all our IIM and IIM institutes and IIHM institutes in the different parts of India.
विलियम डिकॉस्टा गोवा बार्ज मालक संघटनेचो नवो अध्यक्ष। नॉमिनेशन कमिटीन वेंचणूक घेतली। वेंचणूक आदलो अध्यक्ष रेमंड डिसोजा कॉंत्र गेल्या। तो म्हणटा नेमणूक खंय बेकायदेशीर।
The ex-president, Mr. Raymond Dissar, did not conduct the elections for the executive committee for 2018-19 as well as 19-20. One of our members took him to court to conduct the elections for 18-19, but we felt that matter is still lying in court. Settlement was not coming. We are already into the next financial year of 19-20. So we decided that following the constitution of the Goa Bar Association to start the process of elections. And due process has been followed, giving the right notice to every member so that the election, the 14 days notice was given and the election rules were circulated. Election process, especially I would say free and fair elections, is an open process where every member can participate and every member who wants to work for the association can aspire to be a member of the committee by being elected. Unfortunately, this was not done. Now I have been elected unopposed, and I make an appeal to our members to all come together because we barge owners are facing so many problems. The very survival of our inland water transport in Goa is at stake, and unless exports commence as early as possible, we will not be able to survive.
Election declares zata, I become the immediate past president. When I become the immediate past president, first GBOA has to send me a letter asking me to become the chairman of the nomination committee. Maka GBOA kai broilo na dale kon election process kelteni mak broilo na. When I am not invited to become the chairman of the nomination committee, who has given powers to Atul Jadhav to become the chairman of the nomination committee? Who is Atul Jadhav? So what the procedure they have followed is totally illegal. Secondly, constitution. Amge constitution aha secretary, office secretary, now the honorary secretary has to send a notice. When already we have office secretary in our office functioning, I don't know what is the need for pro tem secretary and who is the pro tem secretary, we don't know. Who has appointed the pro tem secretary, I don't know. Any meeting of the election or any other business of GBOA has to be conducted in GBOA office and not in somebody's private office.
वाल्मिकी नायक आपाचो पणजेचो उमेदवार तो शुक्रारा पोट वेंचणुकेक अर्ज भरतलो। गोंयांत घराणेशाही चल्ला म्हूण आपाचो काँग्रेस आनी बीजेपी आड आरोप।
आज आमची इलेक्शन कमिटी बसली आनी कॅम्पेन कशें फुडें व्हरपाचें ताजेर आमी भासाभास केल्ली आहा आनी आयच्यान आमी हें कॅम्पेन आमचें लॉन्च करता पणजे भितर। फाल्यां नॉमिनेशन आमी फायल करतले। आमी पणजेकारांच्या मुखार एक पर्याय म्हणून घेवन आयल्या। जवळ जवळ 25 वर्सां बीजेपीचें जें राज्य चलता तातूंतल्यान पणजेकारांक कांय फायदो जावंक ना। वेल्यान पणजे दिसान दीस सकल वत आसा, सकल वयता। काँग्रेस फॅमिली राज म्हणटाले, डायनेस्टीक पॉलिटिक्स म्हणटाले, आनी आज हे तेंच करपाक लागले। म्हापश्यान ताणें आपले चल्याक घातलो, हांगा जर तुमी म्हणटा तशें जर ते आपल्या हांगाचे पणजेच्या ताजेच चल्याक घालूंक सोदता देन वॉट इज इट? दिस इज क्लियरली डायनेस्टीक पॉलिटिक्स. काँग्रेसचो कॅन्डिडेट इज वायफ इज ऑलरेडी MLA. ते वटेन एक बापूय काँग्रेसीन आनी चलो BJPन गेलो. हे चालूच आसा. दिस इज नॉट अबाउट पीपल. वॉट वी हॅव टू से इज हे लोकांच्या फायद्याचें हितून कांय ना. हे आपले सांबाळपाचें सगळें राजकारण जें चल्लां. उडयो मारपाचें राजकारण. सुधीर कांदोळकर काल 20 वर्सां तो BJPन आसलो. अचानक एका दिसानूच ताजो कलर चेंज जाता आनी हेवटेन येता. हो आमचो म्हादेव पयलीं काँग्रेस आसलो, मागीर खूब वर्सां BJPन आसलो. ताजो कलर चेंज जाता, तो हेवटेन येता. हें कितें चल्लां? सुभाष शिरोडकर आनी हो सोपटे अचानक उडयो मारतात ते वटेन धांवता. केन्ना सोंपतलें? मदींच न्यूज आसलो दिगंबर कामत चल्लो म्हणून टाटा करपाक काँग्रेसीन. तोय न्यूज आसलो. मागीर इजिदोर धांवता म्हणून न्यूज आसलो. सारको करेक्ट न्यूज हो. मागीर खंय तेंच्या हाडलें देव जाणा.
ओवर युटिलायज आनी ताका लागून जे मतदान करतकूच मत जे सुरक्षीत उरपाक जाय तें उरता काय ना हाजे बद्दल आम आदमीक प्रश्न पडला. आनी आतां तेजे नंतर जे 30 ते थंय उरताले ते सुरक्षीत आसतले काय ना हाजेरूय आमकां विचार पडला.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक. अपोलो टायरांचो सेरावली नवो शोरूम उक्तो जाला. गाडयो, SUV, स्कूटरीचे सगळे टायर हांगा मेळटले.
I trust Apollo tires because they are reliable, durable and value for money, especially for the Indian roads, considering the terrain. That's why I trust Apollo tires since the last 4 years and I've got a very good rapport and feedback from the customers.
चिंचोण्या कम्युनिदादीचे जाग्यार लोक कोयर वडयता म्हूण थळावे चाळवल्यात. पंचायती कागाळ करून जाली मात कांयच एक्शन ना. तांणी खंय आतां इश्यू राज्यपाला मेरेन व्हेला.
आज आम येयल्ले हेका लागून आमगे हिंगा गार्बेज एरिया सुकाल्ले. हिंगा आमी जायती कंप्लेन सगळ्या कंप्लेन गेले म्हळ्यार आज पासून कोणें एक्शन केलें. आमगे पंचायत कसली एक्शनूय घेवपासूच ना. आमी लोकल MLAकूय रिक्वेस्ट केलो म्हळ्यार अजून कांय केलो ना अजून. सो आम लागता जाता तितू बेगीन पावस येसनू फुडें हे आमी क्लियर करूं. कित्याक हेल्थ रिपोर्टूय दिला आमकां सगळे आखे डिजीज हिंगा जातली म्हूण आनी तेका लागून आमकां हो वास आख्खे हितू गांवां पडला. ही गार्बेज आतां ते सगळे आमगे तो म्हणटा तो कोण हाडटा तो म्हणटा तो ही सगळे आख्खे विलेजीन तो आपण हेल्प करता म्हणटा तो दुसऱ्या विलेजीक हेल्प करून हिंगा आमकां सगळे आमकां त्रास जाता.
माझी कितें आमगे चेड्या मलेरिया जोर येयलो तेगे काजार आहलो तेका हॉस्पिटलांक गेलो हलका जार म्हळ्यार आज हाडलो तेका. म्हाजी गार्बेज हाडूंक लागोल ती ही आटाय सांगल्यार तुका आटाय तशें आटाय कोण एक्शन घेना जालो.
तुमी कंप्लेंट बी करून जाली?
ओय आम फूल थिंक केलोले हिंग केलोले आनी मागीर थिंक केलोले.
पणजे केलेली ती केन्ना?
पणजे केलोले.
ती केन्ना केलेली?
कितू वर्सां जाली ती?
2 वर्सां जातलीं ती केल्यार.
70 जनसेवा प्रतिष्ठानान भुरग्यां खातीर करियर गायडन्स कार्यावळ दवरिल्ली. कार्यावळीक खंय बरो पैकी प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो.
Recently, you students have answered 10th and 12th examination. So, at the outset, let me wish that all of you will pass with the flying colors. Secondly, the Sattari Janaseva Pratishthan has brought to your doors this session of career guidance. I would like to congratulate all of you because you are very lucky that this facility is at your doors through this Pratishthan.
Parents themselves, they do not know how to guide the child for their future. I had one classmate of mine in Goa Medical College in first year, scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics. She went and joined engineering college, but the full family was a doctor's family. She was forced to leave engineering college and come and join the medical college. He joined medical college, and it was a sorrow state that the person who scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics failed in first MBBS, which is actually impossible, not nice. It is that impossible that he would, but he didn't have liking for. He had liking for engineering.
सिटी ग्रामाच्यो खबरो घेवन परत मेळ्या. पळत रावत प्रुडंट, फॉलो करात प्रुडंट.